It's magic night for you, magic night for you. The emotions change in every quarter. How do you feel, first of all?
First of all, we are all happy. We did what we started, and we continue our path, and that's most important. I'm here 2 years. 2 years we are playing Europe, so I can be that way satisfied. But you saw it, a crazy game, and
sure.
we had luck also. But sometimes you need the luck. Against Ajax, we didn't have luck on penalties, but today something came back to us, and we are very happy.
It was not only luck, because you read the match very well, and you get them to the right moment. All the changes from the coach came to the right timing and turned all the match.
Yes, I think this year we are much more stronger because we have a bigger roster, and this will help a lot. Also, we are playing Euro, but also for a championship. So now Sunday we have an important game, but I think we deserve to pass. Okay, we had luck, but we deserve to pass.
Except the mind, the soul, the passion, the energy from the fans. What's the main key for this progress?
We believe we can pass. That's most important. It was first half was bad, I can say, against Lens, but how can I say? We survived that, and then after the second half we played much better. Portis scored a great goal. Today we played a great game. We took our chances. On the end, when we missed the last chance, I thought it would be difficult and that we can be maybe punished, but on the end, we deserve.
In the during the match, did you afraid that something is not going to work?
No, but you don't think so much when you play this game. You just run and give your maximum, and then what happened. But we was all together like a team, and I think everybody had from first games against Botev until end. I think every player has his own part in